success keys for your poultry farming venture. We wanted to create this course focused on the beginner in chicken raising. We wanted to share some basic information in order for the newcomer to thrive in this exciting and very rewarding business. What are we gonna see and what are we gonna learn in this course? We're gonna talk about the chicken industry worldwide. We're gonna share some basic information so you can understand how the industry has evolved over the last few years and what are the future challenges in this particular industry. We're going to talk also about the equipment and the facilities that you should have in order to put in place your chicken raising venture, or maybe if you have it as a hobby, you can also have a general assessment of what are all the props and equipment that you need in order to establish your own venture, whether it's for financial reasons or for entertainment or as a hobby. Then we're gonna talk about some of the brooding basics, how to keep your flock health, and how to properly manage your flock. This is very important part of the business. How can you manage to obtain the maximum profit on this chicken raising industry? What exactly would you learn? As you know, keeping poultry makes a substantial contribution to household food industry throughout the developing world and both in the developed world. It helps diversify the incomes and provide quality food, energy, fertilizer, and a renewable asset in over 80% of rural households. Small-scale producers are, however, constrained by poor access to markets, goods, and services. They have weak institutions and lack of skills. Knowledge and appropriate technologies are the most important tool in these cases. The result is that both production and productivity remain well below potential, and losses and wastages can be very high. However, adapted breeds, local feed resources, and appropriate vaccines are available, along with proven technology that can substantially improve productivity and income generation. That's the idea of this course, to help you thrive and improve your productivity and income generation. As you know, there is an estimated rolling stock of 19 billion chickens in the world. They're estimated 4.9 billion eggs laying hens in the world. The average consumption of eggs is around 8.9 kilograms per person per year. Today's laying eggs hens are capable of producing over 300 eggs per hen per year. So these are important information that you should know and understand, that as your flock grows strongly, both financially and in health and in production, the stronger will be your operation, and you should have a great knowledge on what you are managing. This industry has the capability of producing and boosting your income and boosting your productivity. You just need to apply some basic techniques in order for this to happen. So I hope you enjoy this course. I hope you can take the maximum profit out of it, and I'll see you in the next class.